the take profit. We have many take profit, right? We have also take profit that behave like they have horizontal principle like the zones. You already know the take profit that is the zone. You have another take profit that is the Kijun hitting the left resistance, the left V resistance, right? V resistance support to the left. Let me talk to you about this one specifically because the other ones you already know. I already show you that. This one is the one that I'm not. I didn't talk to you about it yet. For example, what is it? When the candles are at this point, right? Kijun is here, right? But when Kijun will rise to the upside till it arrive at the same level like the resistance to the left. This one was a resistance to the left. The price will stop moving upward. Do you see? Do you see how the price start going down? That's also a way to take your profit. When Kijun hit this level, let us imagine that you bought just at this Kijun setup, right? And you want to know where can you put your take profit. You will have a dynamic take profit. You just need to look at the resistance before your setup here, and then you draw a line like this. When Kijun will arrive at this resistance, the price will stop moving to the upside, and this will be the sign that you take your profit like this. It will have a retracement. At least it will have a retracement. It's the same thing here. Let us say that this candle comes and then touch Kijun here, right? You will buy at this point. You will buy at this point. You will buy, place your stop loss. Let us say you place your stop loss here. But your take profit will be based on the idea that this is the resistance candle. And you draw an horizontal line like this. When Kijun will move to the upside and reach and touch this resistance, when Kijun touch this resistance, the candles will be surely going up like this. And at this point, then you can withdraw your profit. That's how you can do. This is also a take profit level. It is the same thing that just happened here. Let us say you had this this setup where you can sell. This was the resistance. You draw a line like this, so you sell here. So how do you take your profit? You take your profit when Kijun will rise to the upside till it touches this resistance till it arrives at that resistance. When Kijun arrives at that resistance level, let me draw like this, those two lines. You add this Kijun, you see what happened. The price stopped moving to the downside. That's how you know. That's how you know. That's how you know the take profit. This is one dynamic take profit. Okay. This is one dynamic take profit that is not taught anywhere else than on digital analysis. Sacred take profit. Same thing happened also. Let us look at this one. You bought here. When Kijun arrived exactly at this resistance level, what do you see the candle did? The candle did what? A retracement. So you could have been buying here and waiting till Kijun arrive at the same point like the left resistance. So that's it. So the other thought profit like TK recross is something that you also know. SS recross, the cloud recross, you already know it. I talk about it. The Chislev, the Tenkan Mountain, you already know it. The Shiku getting out of the cloud, you could already know it. The SSR Mountain, you already know it. The SSB, you already know it. The SSA, you already know it. The Kijun, you already know it. The Tenkan. Okay, now let me make a point. For SSB, for example, you need to be in higher time frame. If you want to have a take profit like SSB, you need to be in 4 hours, for example. If you are in 4 hours, you SSB 4 hours like this setup here. will be very logical for you, right? Because if you sold on 15 minutes, it will give you a lot of pips going down, right? This will be your take profit like this. This will be very logical for you and very rewarding than having a take profit at the same time frame. You need to have, when I talk about SSA, SSB is more of, you need to go in a higher time frame to have it as take profit at the higher time frame than just having a take profit like 15 minutes to 15 minutes. Like you buy here on 15 minutes and then SSB 15 minutes. It will not make sense. It will not give you that high reward. So that's how you need to understand take profit. Even Tenkan can be a take profit if you use it in daily, for example. Exactly. Let me take this one. For example, this position can hit the daily Tenkan. Okay, for example, here, you can have a take profit at Tenkan daily, this same position, right? Because on daily you quit for you quit from an empty space to Tenkan. That gives you a lot of pips. Rather than just doing it in 15 minutes, that's not logical if you just do it in 15 minutes. Like, for example, you say that from this empty space 15 minutes to this Tenkan 15 minutes, how much rewarding is it compared to having this one in terms of risk reward, right? This risk reward is better looking at it in daily than looking at it in the same time frame. So all of this other setup like this is best to, like the normal setup like SSB, SSA, is best to have it in higher time frame and go and take it, go and sell in lower time frame. So my question for you, what is the best take profit for you? Are you using the horizontal principal line or the TK group, the crosses principle? The horizontal line principle is like the H1 zones, the zones of the A plus setup as take profit, or crosses as take profit, TK cross. What is the best take profit for you, by the way? And specifically for this new one, do you see a value of Kijun? Tenkan also does it, but Kijun hitting the left resistance as a take profit. Do you see a value on about this one? So tell me in your group and look for other student responses. Participate, send your screenshot, explain your reason why, but don't criticize. Let us stay positive together.